Hello everyone, welcome you all to our channel K85ers. In this video, we will understand where to use the definite article the, and I have written some points for you through which if you understand this video properly, then I'll make another video for you where I'll have some exercises, some questions for you. If you understand this video, and it will be easy for you to do that exercise easily and without having any difficulties. Okay, so let's get started. First one I have written, when a singular noun represents the whole class. There you have to use article the or the definite article the. And what is a singular noun represents the whole class? Suppose I am giving you an example. Suppose I will say the dog is a faithful animal. So here the dog is a singular noun, but it representing the whole class of the dog. That's why where you'll get such type of example or such type of sentence, just do use the there. Okay, suppose another example take. The cows give us milk. The cow gives us milk. The cow is the singular word, noun, but we use the because whole class of the cow gives us milk. That's why the first point, when a singular noun represents the whole class, there we have to use article the. Go for the next one. Before some proper noun that denote physical features. Some proper noun are there which denotes the physical features like rivers, ocean, desert, mountains. So there you have to use article the Yamuna, the Gangas, okay, there, and ocean, the Pacific Ocean. So there also you have to use the desert, the Thar desert, right? And another one mountain, the Himalaya mountain. So these, if you get this type of words or proper noun, there you have to use the before those things. Okay, and the third one, before the names of the religious books. Yes, important. So if in a sentence that written, dash Bible is a holy book, there you have to use the Bible is a holy book. The Gita is a holy book of Hindus. So there you have to use the dash Gita. If you got, then the Gita. Okay, the Mahabharata book or whatever. So if you got any kind of holy books or religious books, there you have to use the before that sentence. Okay. So go for the next one. Before the names of the things which are unique or one of their kind. Important. Suppose dash sun, dash moon, dash Jupiter. These are the unique heavenly bodies, or these are the unique things, or they are one of their kind. So there you have to use the sun, the moon. It is unique. There is no another sun in the whole universe. Okay. We are having only single sun. So we have to use the sun, right? Next one, before the name of musical instruments like the piano, the guitar, there you have to use the. Easy. You just have to remember all those things. Why I have written here, just note down somewhere. The students who is having or who needs to appear examination of article, or we need to understand article where we should use. So here, just note down all these points. Do remember it, then it will be very easy for you to use definite article the. Okay. So go for the next one. Before the names of all the newspaper in the whole world. वर्ल्ड में कोई भी न्यूज़पेपर आपके सामने आ जाए, इफ द हिंदू, द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, ओके, द संवाद, whatever, समाज, whatever, any kind of newspaper, any kind of language having the newspaper, you can use the before that. Okay, so next one and the last one, before the names of the political parties. And here, if in a sentence you are having a sentence like dash Congress or dash BJP ruling over India. So the BJP party ruling over India. Okay. This is all before you, and in my next video I'll have some questions in front of you and you just have to solve that. So just do focus on all these important points. So take care all and keep learning, keep growing. Thank you all for watching my video. Take care.